In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Blink XT2. So there are two ways how you can do it. The first way, what you can do is just from the back, you're gonna unscrew the cover, and then you just want to press and hold the reset button. The reset button is going to be right here. So this is the first thing that you need to do, and try for about like 60 seconds, just press and hold. Maybe it's going to fix the issues. The second thing how you can reset is this. So you want to open the Blink app on your smartphone, and you want to navigate to the camera settings. Then you want to delete a camera from the app. Now you want to unscrew the back cover of the camera, take it off, and locate the reset button inside the camera. And then what you want to do, this is going to be like really important and crucial. You want to remove one of the batteries. So you're gonna remove one of the batteries, let's say left one. Then what you want to do, you just want to press and hold the reset button. And while you're gonna hold the reset button, you want to place the battery back in. And when you're gonna place the battery back in, while you're holding the reset button, you want to let go of the reset buttons once the battery is back into place. And your goal is to get infrared to flash red. This indicates that the camera is resetting properly. And after the reset, add the camera back to your Blink app and complete the setup process again. So this is how you're gonna do it. So you're gonna take one battery out. Then what you want to do is press and hold the reset button, and when you're going to press and hold the reset button, you just want to put the battery back in. That's it. Thank you, have a great day, and goodbye.